The question of lockdown does not rise, and that would be the last resort if we have to. But taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown. But my appeal, my request to all the concerned citizens of the state, please take care of yourself wherever you are, be it at home, be it in your workplace, or be it anywhere you are. I think you need to discipline yourself. You need to take care of yourself. I think that is the only way out where we can really contain the spread